Honestly, guys, it's been such a long journey. I'm in Mansfield, so like Nottinghamshire, Nottingham area. I've been traveling. I left work like 5 o'clock, so I jump on my train and I reach like King's Cross. After 5, my train was about after 6. Anyways, got my train and got here fine, got to Nottingham fine, and I had to take another train from Nottingham to Mansfield, which was like another, say, 1 hour, and that train got cancelled. On the way there, on the way to Nottingham, I got a message from Trainline that the train cancelled and the next train will be like 1 hour after. So it's like after 10 now, I just reached. And I ended up taking like a cab from the train station to here because I wasn't going to walk to this place that I don't know. Anyways, I'm in the Airbnb and it's super cozy. I love the space. It's just feels so nice. When I walk in, it smells so good. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly what the place is looking like. And I'm really hungry. I have my lunch that I didn't eat today because I had pizza. We found money at work, so we just bought pizza. And I kept my lunch, so I'm gonna just warm this up in the microwave and then I'll just have that for dinner. I'm gonna have milk in my bag and some other stuff which I need to put in the fridge. But anyways, let me show you the place really quick before I kind of like trash it. Yeah, so that's the door. The door is like coded and they have like the same system that they have in New York where they just put the key in like a little safe outside. They give you the code for it and then you just take out the key and then you put the code on the door. It's kind of like a flat, like apartment style. There's different houses and I just come in this one. Anyways, this is what this is looking like. We have like a little chair there and I love how they put the carpet here to make it like super cozy. The bed is in the corner. It's like a studio apartment, but it's like perfect for like one person. The kitchen area is over there. You know, you have like your cupboard space. There's nothing in the fridge. I've checked it already. Love the little greenery here. Love it. Absolutely love like the countertop. And microwave is here, kettle, which is good. And of course, like glassware and stuff. I must say it's like super clean in here, like so clean. And you have like the stove. I'm not gonna really cook anything. The only thing we need to do is just boil some water so we can actually do my noodles. And I have like the TV here. I didn't bring my HD in my car, but I can probably see what's on the TV. Maybe they will have Netflix or Prime connected actually. Maybe it's a smart TV and I can just watch Blacklist because that's what I'm watching at the moment. Little this actually, maybe this is what I smell because when I walked in it smells so nice. This is exactly, what is this? Pure happiness. The brand is not on it, but it smells so good. And of course you have a little bin right there. Maybe they could put the bin over the other side, but anyway, it's not my place. Bin right there, ironing board and some stuff for hang up your clothes. And then you have like a little seating area there, which is quite cute. Still have a lot of like walking space, which is like amazing. And then the bathroom is here. Where is the light? You can never find a light for these bathrooms. I always think like this is the light, but what if it's like, I don't think it is. Things like an emergency thing. Where's the bathroom light? That I don't know. Wait, there's two. That's for the kitchen. That's for there. Guys, I can't find the bathroom light. Should we just press this thing? No, I'm not. That is the light. I was saying maybe it's an emergency thing. You know when you go in like disable toilet and they have like that thing. It's fucking light. Anyways, the bathroom, super cute. I think it's such like a nice space for like a bathroom in like a studio. You have like the sink there, hand wash. Most hotels or Airbnb, they don't really leave hand washes for you to wash your hands, which I think is such a nice touch to have hand washing on a place. Normally hotels as well, they give you like soap, like face soap, and you have to use that wash your hand, which is not that great. And then you have like extra towels. I won't be needing those. Come and bring more on a towel. Absolutely love the greenery. And then you have like a little, you know, high window, which is quite cute. I'm gonna be closing the blinds for that. A little carpet there. This is the shower. Love this. Here, so you have hair shampoo, I think, maybe body and conditioner, and American that's conditioner, body wash, and I'm hoping that gives a lot of pressure like the water. But yeah, this is a shower, nothing special. And then I love that around here you have the toilet kind of like tucked away, which is like super nice, so you kind of have like your privacy, you know. So yeah, that is basically the place. Super cozy. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next morning since I've been here, and I'm just making some breakfast at the moment. I already like wash my face, brush my teeth, fill in my PJs, and like I said, I'm just making some oats. I didn't know that last night when I turned the fridge up, I was turning it up too much, because now my milk is like partially frozen. Like, look at that big chunk of ice in there. You can see that big chunk of ice, so it's like frozen, like super cold, which I didn't know. That's why the fridge was making noise as well. But anyways, my porridge is in the microwave, and I'm thinking to go outside and do like a little walk just around the area to kind of see the area a little bit. It's still quite early. It's like after 8:27. I did get up quite early. It was a bit noisy this morning, I'm not gonna lie. A bit too noisy to the point where it just woke me up, but the bed was super comfy, super cozy in here, other from the noise this morning will wake me up. I wanna be no matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be time. Showered, do a little bit of skincare, which I just forgot that I have like a, let me turn that off so I can talk to you guys. I have like a face mask to do, and I already did my skincare, so I'm gonna just do that later before I do my makeup and know about the skincare again. So showered, I just put on like a little, you know, lounge fit, this jumper from Primark, and just like a short. I'm gonna make some noodles so I'm gonna have this, and I'm about to do my hair, and I said let me just have some lunch before it's not even lunchtime, is it? I don't even know. Have some lunch before I go ahead and do my hair, because I feel like I get a little bit hungry. Do a little setup here. I want to show you guys. This was the only mirror in the house. I took it from the bathroom and just put it there, put it on a towel so it doesn't slip and break. And then this is my little backdrop. I'm gonna see if I can film like a TikTok while I'm doing my hair. My hair is done. I kind of like tie it up. It was a struggle, I'm not gonna lie. I even mess up my jumper. So if anyone know how I can take out like hair glue from clothing, please let me know. I put some water in it just to kind of like bring the curls up a little bit. I think I have like a video of me doing my hair like this on YouTube. If I do, I'm gonna try and link it. But yeah, hair done. I'm just gonna clean up the place a little bit because I kind of left it in a mess. Kind of like take out my stuff, and I need to iron my dress basically. But yeah, such a struggle. I'm hoping that it looks good. I mean, from what I can see anyway, it looks good. I tried taking a photo of the top to see if I can see any of the tracks, and it looks fine. Can't hear myself. It looks fine. It's just like a little bit too heavy, but you know what? We're just gonna do it for today, and that's it basically. Let me see if I can take these off. Done doing my makeup. I think it looks so good. I try not to do too much. Well, I never really do too much with my makeup anyway. It's literally like the same makeup. I just didn't put on like a brighter concealer. I just let the same concealer stay, like the one closer to my skin tone, stay underneath my eyes. And yeah, I think it's looking really good. I am dressed and ready. I need to put in my other earring. It keeps falling out. And I really want to wear this one instead of the other one. Where's the other one? I have it in my bag just in case. But the other earring just keep falling out because the back is not the correct back. I have these pair of sunglasses just when my drink and my item starts shut down for me. Because it tends to happen a lot. Yeah, these are the other earrings. But I just prefer the other ones because I just prefer these. But then just keep a follow because the back is too loose. I need to leave out like ASAP. My shoes are so uncomfortable as well. I'm gonna bring the other one. So if this keep fall out, then I'm gonna just put the other one in. Yeah, this is my outfit. My bag. I'm really hungry as well, you know. Here's my earring. I guess they don't look bad. They're okay. My cab is around 2 minutes away, so I'm gonna start like locking up and stuff. And yeah, head out. I'm gonna get there exactly at 5:30 as well. Let's go. Let's go have some fun and celebrate my friend. I won't bring my camera, but I'll get some footage on my phone. See you guys later at the venue. Oh my gosh, yesterday was amazing. Like such a beautiful wedding, such great vibes. Like literally I was on the dance floor and I didn't leave the dance floor. I had a couple drinks too, maybe like 4. That's like 3 more than I normally have. And I felt so great. It was just so good, just really beautiful. I had such a good time. Today they have like a barbecue, but my friend only told me after, like literally after I booked my ticket. So I have to check out of this place at 11 and the barbecue is at 2, so I won't get to go to the barbecue, and I also can't change my train ticket, so I gotta go. But yesterday was so much fun and everyone was so friendly. Literally I didn't really know anyone there. Well, I met people from the bridal shower and everyone was just so friendly and accommodating, which was so nice. station waiting for my train. It's not gonna come until like after 12. It's now 11:30, so I have a bit of a wait. But I went to Greg's to grab like a something to eat. There's not much options around here, so I grabbed like a pizza and then like a Coke Zero to have in the meantime while I wait for my train. I'm just gonna like finish watching Love Island. I didn't get to watch it last night, of course, because I was at the wedding, so I'll finish watch the last episode of Love Island. If you don't know what Love Island is, it's like a British dating show that comes on during the summertime. It's normally one of the most exciting things that happen around here in the summertime. So I'll be watching that in the meantime.
I believe you know just what you're doing now.